accepting failure is a very difficult thing. You are getting failure in this competitive exam again and again, and you are not able to find out the reason. You are not able to know that you don't know how to overcome from this failure. So that's why I'm going to tell you 5 reasons, top 5 reasons. This is the common reason, common mistake most of the students are doing. So please listen to me carefully. I need your patience. This is one most important reason, the patience. You don't have patience to listen. So I need your patience. Please watch the video till the end. And after that you will understand I am wrong or right. And let me know in the comment section how out of these reasons what the mistake you did. Okay. First one reason, that is most important reason. Nowadays, because of this online and all these things, concentration, focus, and the PDF downloading, recording downloading, this is going on the mind of the most of the students. Always, you are not able to focus in the class. It is going on in your mind that, okay, I will download the PDF. Okay, I will download the recording. Okay, recording will be available. So I will watch later. That's why you are not able to focus in the class. 1 hour class also. Maximum retention is going down day by day because of those watching reels and all. You are not able to concentrate, not able to focus more than 1 minute also. 30 minutes, 1 hour is less. Means you are not able to focus that also. Just ask yourself, how many class you are watching with full of concentration? You are playing the recording, you are playing the videos, but you are doing so many things here and there. And in your mind it is going on that, okay, recording will be available, so I will watch recording later. In our school days, just think like that. When the school days was there, when the online platform was not there, at that time it was in our mind. When teacher is discussing some concept, teacher will not explain it again. So I have to listen to me. I have to listen to this whatever lecture is going on. There will be no recording, and I have to take the notes from the board and I have to copy it, because I will not get any PDF. But it is now in your mind, it is going on. The recording will be available, the PDF will be available, so no need to listen. This is the first mistake. Most of you, maximum students are doing this mistake. So if you are not attentive properly in the class, if you are not listening properly, then how we will understand the concept, how you will be able to understand what is the concept, how to solve the question, and after that how you will be able to implement that in exam hall. This is the first thing. Please remove it from your mind that recording will be available. I will download PDF and dumping PDF together. So it is also very, very bad habit to dump. You are collecting not only from one resource, you are collecting different resources, lots of PDF. Just ask yourself how many PDF actually you learn, and out of those PDF, how many PDFs content are there in your mind. Maybe till now you have collected thousands of PDF, but if you ask yourself what is there in that PDF, maybe you will be not able to recall at all. You know these much PDF are available to me. Maybe you are storing it for GB, TB data, but ultimately it is not storing in your mind. That's why you are not able to solve in exam hall. So how to resolve it, I will tell you that please do it. What you have to do, please listen to the class properly. Prepare your own handwritten note, because whenever you are listening and after that you are writing, you are watching. So visual, audio and writing, 3 things are going on together. Then ultimately your concept is getting clear. After that, if it is not clear, then again rewatch the recording, clear your concept. And after clearing the concept, practice question is very, very important. See that I learned the concept. You are thinking that yes, my concept is done. But after that, regarding this concept, so many theory question, practice question, numerical question, you need to solve, understand that you are able to apply it or not. Whatever concept you know, you need to understand that from those topic, whatever questions are coming, I am able to solve those questions. Maximum students are doing that mistake. You learn full syllabus, but you are not practicing question. 30-minute topic, maybe little bit small chapter, You will learn it for 30 minutes or 1 hour, but after that you have to solve at least 50 to 100 questions regarding this topic, regarding this subject. Different types of question, not a same type of question, different types of question, to understand that yes, I am able to implement the concept in exam hall properly. This is the second thing, that is you are not doing. PYQs are there, lots of PYQs. You are downloading the PYQs, you are dumping it, but you are not practicing. By downloading PDF, it will not work. You have to attempt like a test series. One time, not multiple time. I solve one time, maybe I watch the class, but after 7 days you will definitely forget it. You have to revise again and again by practicing those PYQs, those MCQ, by attempting test series. Now you will tell me another thing, that the next important thing is that I don't have time. I don't have time to learn. I have lots of work. If I am asking you before exam, how you are getting time? Before exam, 1 week before exam, 1 month before exam, when exam date released, then any marathon classes, 10 hours marathon also, 24 hours also, if teacher is telling you to take the class, you will tell that yes ma'am, take it. If it is going on 5 hours, 10 hours marathon also, then also you are watching. Then your focus is there, then your time is there. But if every day, throughout the year, 6 months, 1 year, whenever you are preparing, you are not doing. Per day, 1 hour, 2 hour consistently. Consistency is very important. If every day 1 hour also any person is learning, and it is a particular time, fixing a particular time, is this is my learning time, anyhow I will learn in this time, anyhow whatever is happening, I will not stop learning in this time. Are you following it? Before exam, you are trying to dump everything together. You are trying to learn everything together in 1 month, crash course, super fast revision course, quick revision course, anyhow marathon session, anyhow I want to learn complete syllabus. It is our mind, yeah. It's not possible that within 1 month you will be able to understand 1 year concept, and you will be able to remember that, and you will be able to implement it in exam hall. It is not possible. Consistency is important. Part by part, less is more. In less time, less dedication, if you are doing, but every day. Not required before exam I will learn 10 hours, but before that, whenever I am getting 4 months, 5 months time, then I am not at all learning. Then I don't have 5 minutes also to do the class. How you are getting time before exam, and why you are not getting time throughout the year? Ask yourself. How you are managing time before exam? Then why you are not able to manage time when exam is not there? Try to dedicate, try to allocate a proper time, realistic time schedule, that yes, if I am allocating 2 hours time, then 2 hours every day I will learn. It is my learning time. Part by part also you can divide, okay, 20 minute slot, 15 minute slot, 10 minute slot, but dedicatedly I will focus on that. This is very important. Before exam, 1 month anyone can't do. It's not possible. It's a process, continuous process. Your learning, your revision, your practice, all together leading you to success. That is important. Next reason I am telling you. After learning everything, after solving everything, not solving full length mock test. That's why time management issue you are facing in exam hall. Without time pressure, you are able to solve all questions. If there is no time pressure, if I am giving you difficult question also, you will be able to solve. But whenever there is time pressure, you are not able to solve in exam hall, because you are not practicing within time pressure. Maybe you are practicing, but in time limit you are not practicing. That's why timer is required. That's why test series is required. You have to do time bound practice. Time bound practice. When timer is moving with that time pressure, if you are not practicing in exam hall, definitely you will do mistake. Known question also you are doing mistake in exam hall because of this time pressure. And not reading question properly. This is a very bad habit nowadays. If anyone is asking you very difficult numerical question, or that you will be able to solve, but whenever statement type question is there, matching type question is there, sequence type question is there, you are not able to solve, because you are not habituated with those type of question, and you are not reading question properly. Reading habit is less. Nowadays you are watching videos. Nowadays you are listening videos. But the reading habit is going day by day down. Make the habit of reading. Reading from the PDF. Reading the question. Reading the question, not listening. When you are listening video, someone is reading question for you and you are listening, then you are solving. Actually, you are not reading question by yourself. By watching video, it is happening. I am the educator, okay, I am reading question for you and you are listening, then you are solving. But in exam hall, there is no one who will read on behalf of you. You have to read the question, then you have to solve. This is the biggest problem. That's why you need to make the habit of reading question, reading habit, writing habit. It's going decreasing day by day. Most of the people nowadays not reading. Even also you are not coming to the class with pen and paper. You don't have pen and paper. You are not solving with pen and paper. This is the bad habit. The mobile is there, the online material is there, and nowadays you are thinking everything is available in ChatGPT, AI giving me all answer, so no problem. AI ChatGPT will not go with you in exam hall. That's why you have to create your own ChatGPT inside you, that whenever any question is coming, I am able to solve by myself. That is my knowledge. I have to gather my knowledge. I have to create my own database in my mind. Your database is not your computer or your laptop or your mobile. Your database is your mind, your brain. You have to improve your brain power. You have to improve your focus and concentration level. You have to improve your study habit. Every day try to do some meditation. Try to think about that, how to improve my focus. Whenever 1 hour class is there, why I am not able to concentrate? You have to make a habit of concentration. Daily learning. Yes, I have to learn. Fix your time, that within this time I have to complete this task. I have to cover the syllabus. Before exam, if you are busy in covering syllabus, then when you will revise and practice? Full length mock test is very, very important. Throughout the syllabus, you are learning 10 unit, 20 unit together. There are paper 1, paper 2, everything together. Now, if you are not practicing it, 3 hours mock test, paper 1, paper 2 together, 20 unit, then how you will think that in exam hall you will be able to recall everything? Not possible. Unit wise you are learning, 1 unit you are learning, next unit you forgot another unit. You have to make a schedule of revision properly. Whenever you are learning new topic, old topic revision, you have to do through the practice. Every day 80% time allocate for new topic, 20% time allocate for revision. And before exam, 1 month before exam, no new topic. Completely focus on revision and practice full length mock test. Very, very important. Whatever exam if you are going, if you are not attending full length mock test, then you cannot crack the exam properly and you cannot get a good score. Those who are watching till now, I hope you understand what is the reason. So please remove this from your mind. Whatever your source, whatever resource you are following, try to strict on that resource and just neglect it, collecting so many resources, collecting so many videos, collecting so many PDF, but actually I am not learning, actually I am not storing it in mind. Listen to the class, watch the class, prepare your own notes, revise multiple time, practice multiple time, save the answer in your mind. Don't save the answer in your PDF, even also in your notebook. Notebook is required for writing. Means you are writing in notebook, means it is written in your mind. Ultimately, your focus should be, I have to write in my mind. I have to solve question by myself. There will be no one in exam hall who will do on behalf of me. I have to improve my accuracy level. I have to improve my storage level so that I can remember everything. By practicing only it is possible. I hope you understand. So stay tuned with us. If you like this video, like, share, subscribe, and let me know in the comment section, out of this whatever mistake I told, how many mistakes you are doing till now. And promise yourself that I will not do this mistake again. and I will implement it from today and from now. Thank you. All the best. See you again soon.